I've been accredited with Santa Lucia since around 2015, that's right. Actually, it's just a recent sale. I uh, I asked my siblings in the US, two of them, to invest in Santa Lucia. Of all the projects here in Cebu, that's how much I value Santa Lucia that I would ask my siblings to invest in, and not any other project in Cebu. Yeah, it's not just my personal goal; it's the goal of our realty. We really believe in giving value to our buyers, and so far, as I can see it, the products of Santa Lucia give really long-term good value. And so it is so easy for us to love the project and sell it to our clients. Ako si Invictus Paradela, isang real estate broker. And I'm proud to be an accredited sales partner of Santa Lucia Marketing Cebu.
Join us and be the next champion sales partner.